Okay, I want everyone, nice quiet voices, to read it with me. I can write to tell a story. So we're basically going to be authors. We're going to write so that we can tell a story. Okay, turn to your partner and talk to your partner about what's in a story. What do we even find in a story? Talk to your partner. Routine. Okay, so what did you and your partner say?
She said books.
Okay, well tell us what your partner said. What's in a story?
Tell me again, Lena.
I like that. There are words in a story. There have to be words so we can read it, right? Okay, I like it. There are pictures. You're awesome. Let's go to somebody else. How about you? What else is in a story?
English words.
This book has English words and
Spanish
words. But look at the cover. What else do you see that might be in this story? Think about what are in stories. You're not answering. Your friend behind you is.
Tell me again what he was talking about.
Go ahead, Davina. Talk with him.
Spanish words. Sometimes you get the Spanish words and English words in stories and other kinds of books.
You're right. There are Spanish words or there are English words, and we said that up here. Let's give somebody else a chance.
Details.
That's a huge word. What are details? What's another word for details? Do you know? Let him answer. I'm going to give you a hint. When you look up here at your reading goal, this word right here. Details can also be called events. Can you say that?
Event.
Good job. So there are details or there are events. Oh, you're on the right track now. Let's see who can help me. You. What else? Yeah. Yeah, but what about these people? What do we call them? Characters. There are characters. Wow. So I'm going to stop there, okay? Eyes on me. Shh. Nope, eyes on me. You need to sit crisscross applesauce. So I'm going to stop there because I want to talk today mostly about this right here. Characters. And in this book right here, there is a character, a little girl. Derek, eyes on me, please. So let's talk about this little girl for a minute, okay? Let's see. I'm going to read a page from this book for a minute. Is everybody listening? I'll wait to see if your crisscross applesauce bubbles in your mouth. Eyes on me. Can you give that to Mrs. Sherburne, please? Okay, so I'm going to read. Leave it alone. Crisscross applesauce. I'm going to read just something from this book about this character, this little girl. Do you know something that I found out about this book? Hold on, hands down. I found out that this little girl, they don't ever tell us her name. They never tell us her name because she's the one telling the story. But that's okay, we'll just call her the little girl. So it says, Grandma has a tabby cat. Her name is Taffy. I roll on the carpet and call, come Taffy, let's play. Then she goes to her other grandma's house and says, Abuelita has a dog. His name is Canelo. When I go out to the garden, Canelo follows me. I call out to him, Then Canelo, vamos a jugar. That means come here. I need you to come in. So already 2 things have happened. 2 events have happened to this character. Talk to your partner about what 2 things happened.
She
plays with oh my gosh, you're ready. Hands on your head. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So in this story, I just read about 2 events happening, or 2 details. I'm not going to call on you because you're not sitting correctly. How about you? What 2 things happened?
The little girl called the cat and the dog.
So that's one thing. She played with a cat, and then you said another thing.
Dog.
Yes! So that's 2 things, 2 events. She played with a cat, and she played with a dog. This story is interesting because she goes to one grandma's house and plays with a cat, then she goes to another grandma's house and plays with a dog. Did you think it was more exciting to hear about the 2 things that she did? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I think so too, especially hearing some of those words in Spanish. That's what we do when we write stories. We really try to make people want to read our story.
So we have
You have your thumb down? You don't think it's exciting? What does that mean?
like that.
Shh. What does that mean? You don't understand? Okay, so in this book, there are 2 different events. One is that she plays with a cat, and one is that she plays with a dog. Do you like that? That happens in the story? Then you put your thumb up. That's what the author is trying to do. He wants you to read his book. Okay, so I'm going to write a story, but I need lots of people to help me. So let's see who's sitting crisscross applesauce, who has their hands in their lap, because I'm going to need them to come up and help me. You don't. You need to sit crisscross applesauce. Thank you. Oh, Derek, you're doing a nice job. I might pick you. So I'm going to pretend that I'm an author, and I'm going to write a story, because that's what I need to do. I need to write a story today. But you know what? You told me there were lots of words. There were some pictures. I think I need to practice first. So let's see. Let's see if you can help me practice. So, I see lots of words on my paper. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up, you see them. Thumbs down, you don't. I hope everybody has a thumbs up because you should be able to see my words. Okay, how many words do you see? Hold up your fingers if you can show me how many words. You have to count. 1, 2,
5.
how many? Oh, you're so close. How many words do you see? Hold up your fingers. Okay, now you can say it. How many?
6.
You're right. Okay, so let's practice. Sit down, please. When I write a sentence, I have to make some words in that sentence, right? So what does every single sentence have to start with? Who knows? You know what? Do this. If you know, whisper it to your partner. What does